This real estate advantage property video is presented by Genevieve Johnson. Open floor plan ranch in Bemus Point with 50 feet of waterfront and dock. This well-maintained and updated home spans nearly 2,100 square feet of above-grade living space, showcasing an open floor plan. The heart of the home is an expansive area that seamlessly combines the living, dining, and kitchen spaces, centered around a large island/breakfast bar adorned with quartz surfaces. The primary bedroom is a serene retreat, featuring a spacious walk-in closet and a luxurious new, 2020, bathroom. This bathroom is outfitted with custom cabinetry, a double-bowl quartz vanity, a beautifully tiled walk-in shower, and a full-spectrum, cedar infrared sauna. On the opposite end of the home, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath, each with ample closet space. A large laundry room conveniently leads to the attached and heated 2-car garage. The dining area walks out to a covered porch and patio. Descend the wide, gently sloping stairs to discover over 1,700 square feet. A fully finished basement with a half bath, generator central air. Reverse osmosis drinking water, 2022, bonus a 1.5 car detached garage.